Imagine turning any photo or simple idea into jaw-dropping Studio Ghibli-style artwork, all without a single design skill. That's exactly what Ghibli AI delivers. With just a keyword, this powerful tool transforms images into viral, ready art and short videos that grab attention, stop the scroll, and make your brand unforgettable. Whether you want to grow your social media, sell content to clients, or just have fun creating stunning visuals, Ghibli AI makes it easy. Learn more at theproductoasis.com and see what your imagination can really do.
Hello and welcome. In this demo, I'll show you how you can turn any ordinary, boring image into my magical Ghibli-style art and viral short videos in just seconds, no design skills needed. With Ghibli, you can create lifelike interactive art images and scroll-stopping viral shorts, all in just a few clicks. All you need to do is upload an image or type a keyword, and Ghibli AI takes care of the rest. It creates, designs, and even helps you share your post and video across major social media platforms. Let's dive in. This is the Ghibli dashboard. Here you'll find 50+ unique Ghibli art styles and AI-generated art options for different needs. Below that, you can see your history, all the images you've created before. At the top right, you'll see your workspace section, where you can view your existing workspaces or create a new one. Let's go ahead and create a new workspace. Just give it a name, and your new dashboard will be ready in seconds. Now I'll switch to a different workspace where I've already created some sample images. Let's head into the Ghibli art section. Here you'll find 50+ Ghibli art styles to explore. You can preview each one, and every style gives you a different, unique result based on your vision. Let me show you a few. Live in action. I'll choose the Ghibli styles. Here, all you have to do is upload the image you want to convert. Then choose your preferred art style from the dropdown. This is the same list we saw earlier, but we added it here too in case you want to switch styles before generating. Now click the Generate button, and that's it. Ghibli will create your image in just 40 to 60 seconds, which is way faster than most tools out there. Others usually take 2 to 5 minutes, so yes, we're definitely quicker and more affordable, while still giving you top quality output. And just look at the result. It's exactly what you imagined. This kind of art is trending all over social media right now, and it's only going to grow bigger. You can share your image on any major social platform, copy the link, preview it, see the prompt used, download the image, and the best part? You can even edit it further using our graphic editor. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's check out a few more categories and see what kind of stunning results we can get. Next, let's move to Ghibli Shorts. Here you can create viral short videos in 2 fun ways. First, by making your images talk, and second, by merging 2 videos to create a new one. Let's start with the Talking Studio. Choose the image you want to bring to life. You can either upload an image from your computer or pick one from the art you've already created using Ghibli. I'll select one from our existing art. Next, just type in the script, what you want the image to say. Then choose the artist's gender and select a voice. You can pick from our built-in AI voices or upload a sample of your own voice to clone it. Now just hit generate, and within 4 to 5 minutes, Ghibli will create a talking video for you. Perfect for short-form content that grabs attention. And here it is, check this out.
Think Ghibli meets you. Upload a photo, add your voice, and watch the magic unfold.
Now let's take a look at some more viral shorts we created earlier.
Step into a hand-drawn dream. With just one photo, become the hero. Turn your selfie into something special.
It starts with a single photo.
Who knew your selfie had this much magic?
Upload a photo. Add your voice.
All the sharing and preview options are the same as before. Share to socials, copy the link, or download the video. You're fully in control. All right, now let's dive into one of the hottest trends on social media right now, viral action figure art. Take a look at these amazing pieces we've already created. I'm sure some of them look familiar. You've probably seen similar ones going viral on your feed. Now, let's create one just for you. Start by choosing an action figure category. Give it a title and add a tagline that you want displayed on the artwork. Then select the gender, male or female, describe the expression or pose, and hit generate. In just a few seconds, our system will turn your imagination into a lifelike, scroll-stopping action figure art. Share it on social media and watch the magic happen. Clicks, views, likes, and followers start rolling in. This is not just about fun, it's about fame, influence, and brand building. Now let's jump into the AI art section, where creativity meets pure automation. This is your all-in-one studio for generating and editing powerful visuals. Let's explore each tool one by one. AI image generation. Just describe your idea and instantly turn it into a stunning AI-generated image. Fashion try-on. Upload a model photo and the outfit you want them to wear. Perfect for e-commerce and digital fashion shoots. Background remover. Upload any image and remove the background in a single click. Face generator. Generate faces based on your prompts. Ideal for avatars, characters, or creative concepts. Super resolution. Improve the quality and resolution of any image. Make it crisp, clear, and high definition. Magic mix. Upload a primary image, add a target image, describe your vision, and create something magical. Relight tool. Enhance lighting and color tones to give your images that studio quality finish. Multi-view generator. Upload one image and generate different angles and views. Perfect for real estate listings or e-com product displays. Logo maker. Instantly create unique logos for your own brand or your client's businesses. Deepfake tool. Upload two images and generate stunning AI face swaps with unbelievable realism. Image-to-image generator. Upload one image and create multiple variations by simply describing your vision. Stock library. Access a massive collection of over 15 million stock images, videos, and GIFs. Just type a keyword and find what you need. That's your entire AI art suite, built to create, edit, and elevate your visuals like never before. Now, let's move on to the graphics section where things get even more exciting. Now hit Create New Graphics and unlock access to over 5,000 plus ready-made templates for every type of business need. You can filter by category, sort by industry, or simply search by name to find the perfect fit. Let's try editing one together. Pick a template you like, give it a name, customize it with your own content, and make it yours. Once done, you can download it or save it for later. Your creativity, your pace. Next, head over to My Art. This is your personal gallery of all the action figure arts, AI images, and graphic designs you've created. Everything you need for Ghibli-style art, viral action figures, AI visuals, and pro-level graphics, all in one place. Pretty amazing, right? Now let's move to settings. Here you can manage your workspace, clients, team, white labeling, subscriptions, watch tutorials, and contact support. Let's dive deeper into two key features: Manage Clients and White Label. Manage Clients. Adding new clients is a breeze. Just enter the client's name and email, issue the credits to your client, and hit the button E. Clients' login details are sent directly to their inbox. Need to update or remove a client? Simply click Edit or Delete. Effortlessly grow your business network with our easy client management system. White Label. Custom branding is essential for building authority. That's why we let you replace the Ghibli dashboard logo with your own. Simply upload your logo in the recommended dimensions, hit Save, and watch your branding come to life. Present Ghibli as your very own product. You can even create client accounts with their unique branding, giving you complete control. You can even offer this as a service to influencers, creators, or businesses ready to pay for this viral trend. Ghibli is the untapped goldmine waiting for you. I hope you're as excited about Ghibli as I am. This demo only scratches the surface of what's possible. With endless creative potential and a seamless user experience, the future of viral Ghibli art and shorts is here. See you inside the members area, where innovation meets imagination.